1971 Mercedes 280 SE 3.5 liter, I believe. So I'm taking the temperature here, and I'm taking the temperature here. I got 38 degrees coming out over here. I got 46 degrees, I think, coming out over here. Just, I can't get them down in there in these ones, and I'm probably getting a lot of entrained, or it's just the difference between the two blower fans pushing air out unevenly through the fans, but I'm not concerned about that. Let's see, there's a lot of internet experts out there, YouTube professors, who use the internet pressure temperature chart. So it's 70, what's the temperature? It's 79 degrees outside, and I'm at idle right now. And let's see, this was down when the thermal, this has a thermal fan clutch and an electric clutch. Only the thermal fan clutch is working right now. It has slowed down. When the thermal fan clutch was 1-to-1 and it was going really high, we were down at 147 PSI on the high side. And remember, this is a retrofit from R12 to 134. I'm gonna pull the 134 out because there's a leak at the rear head of the compressor. But I put it in there anyway for testing to make sure the expansion valve works and everything else works. So let's give it a little RPMs, and let's get it up to about, I think the Mercedes book says 1700 RPMs. And yes, I have the Mercedes OEM manual to look at for testing. Okay, 1700 RPMs. Now it's pretty cool outside, 79 degrees. It's not a hot, you know, it's not Arizona or Texas or Utah. And I am recycling the air in here. There is no fresh air, it just recycles in here. So usually on a hot day, if it was 85 or 90 degrees, this would be about 12 PSI on the low side. 12 PSI. Now get it, we're at 7.3 PSI right now. So who are the internet experts out there who use the PT chart who say 12 PSI would be too low and I need to add refrigerant until I bring the low side up to 30 PSI, like the experts who use the internet pressure to temperature chart, because, you know, they're experts. Yeah. So there we go. Our temperatures come down. We're coming down 31 degrees there, 39 degrees over here. And there's going to be some experts go say, oh, it's going to freeze over and turn into a block of ice. Well, I'll tell you, everybody who owns these Mercedes know that's not going to happen. But there's experts out there who watch YouTube and go off the internet PT chart, say this is too low and it's going to freeze up, because, you know, we got internet experts. And that's about it. I think we're good enough for government work right there. Now we'll go back. There we go. So this is old Frigidaire A6. Oh God, I gotta shut this thing off. It's deadly out here. No ice, not freezing up. And we'll come back to this one. I would like to see if I could grab and hold that fan and get the high side pressure up to like 200 or 300 PSI so I could get this. This is a temperature sensor, it's not pressure. When the refrigerant gets this hose up to what would be the equivalent of like 270 PSI or so like that, it will have a particular temperature to pressure relationship that this sensor goes off. It'll close the relay to engage this fan. That's about it. We're gung-ho good here. Now I got to get on to that other one right there.